Gemini Crypto Credit Card. The crypto credit card is yet to launch, but might launch this summer. It will be available to all users worldwide, and connected to MasterCard. Unlike other crypto cards, that prevent you from accessing real-time rewards for purchases, Gemini promises real-time rewards on purchases, for Bitcoin or other cryptos on Gemini. You get up to 3% cashback on dining purchases, 2% on groceries, and 1% on other purchases. It will be possible to load with 30 cryptocurrencies available on Gemini. The card issuer is WebBank, a digital lending bank. Features: instant up to 3% cashbacks deposited into the user's Gemini account. Has an iOS and Android app to accompany and manage the card. Can freeze the card instantly from the app, track expenses, etc., in-app access of your credit card number, and Apple Pay or Google Pay after approval. Residents in all 50 U.S. states can now apply to join the waitlist. You do not need to be a Gemini user to apply, but will need a Gemini crypto exchange account, where the rewards will be deposited. Black, silver, and rose gold metal cards. Provides 24/7 live agent support. Near instant access to the card after application. Fees. There is no fees to exchange, and no cost for acquiring the card. No annual fee.